Good day, beautiful Nigerians. Yes, so it is me, Okeke Ginika Chukwu Juliet, aka Adamazi. This struggle has been, you don't say, my brothers, Tafte, all the way from the university. I studied accounting, and there was one day I decided to come out for the post of the vice president, and I woke up to one girl and I was like, babe, see, I want to be the vice president of this department. I was like, babe, I cannot vote for you because you know why? You are always doing golden hair. I'm like, how do I want to qualify me for what I want to? I've always been standing out in anything that deals with me talking, looking out to people, always telling them what to do, just being free. Then from there, we advanced from university. We decided to go banking sector where they work. When customers come in and I greet them, I'm like, hello, good afternoon. Everybody like, Julie, this is not your calling. You know where your calling is? Go into entertainment, because you know what? Whenever you're talking, people look at you and people always want to, see that vibe that you're always bringing out. To be sincere, this tribe is going to need somebody like me. You know why? Because, they make everywhere they shinkolo. When I need to they surf, they feel me, baby girl. Basky anywhere as they hot, I will give now. I say, oh, see, you know what to do. All you just need to do is to like, follow, subscribe, give them. I don't even know anyhow. Shall give them. You need to see me there. Julie, baby, I'ma make it happen, baby. Thank you.